Hello, ladies and gentlemen, my dear viewers and my dear subscribers. As I was telling you, lion mane mushroom. It's easy to make. You just take a globe, as you saw, I brought from Mom's Organic Market, and with your hands, take it into pieces like this. Just like that. You see how easy it is? I did take this tail off and then took them apart. And now I'm cooking them in butter. Check that out. So here they are. They're practically ready. I'm using goat butter, by the way. We're gonna turn it over. And that's the color we're looking for. That's the color we're looking for in a lion's mane mushroom. Okay, check it out. There are pieces of garlic in there, and I'm going to deglaze it with a little bit of white wine. Here it is. It's non-alcoholic. A little bit. Check it out. And this is it pretty much. Now we're gonna throw herbs and turn it off. So it took pretty much 1 minute on one side, maybe 1.5, another minute on the other side, and this is how they looked cooked. So once again, you take lion mane mushroom, by the way, the best mushroom you can buy for your brain, for your cognition abilities. And it's so easy to make. It's not really that expensive. That whole globe you saw was about $3. And this is it. They're ready to eat. I'm not gonna try them on for you. They're a little bit hot. But the main thing, when you put them on a skillet, salt right away. Put salt. Despite the popular belief that you don't salt mushrooms to begin with, yes you do. And I used goat butter to cook them in. Here it is. And once again at the end I deglazed it with white wine. So all you do to make it ready, take it apart, put butter in, put salt immediately, and cook it like a steak. Pretty much. Try not to move it. I'm moving it to show it to you, but don't move it. Leave it alone, turn it over, get to this color, deglaze it, and they're ready. Thank you for watching. You are, by the way, with Ella on Staying Healthy with Ella, 50, 60 and beyond. It's a very short video because it's how long it is to make them, just a few minutes. Thanks again. I hope it was useful. I hope you're gonna be making them because it's so easy. Goodbye.